What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Not Your Father's Capital. I'm Mark here. I hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome into the channel. If you guys are new to Not Your Father's Capital, make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Never miss a beat when we talk crypto here. And this is a big one, guys. This is some breaking Bitcoin news, all right? Not a lot of times breaking Bitcoin news is good news. And now we have even more blood in the water, okay? So if you guys have all been around, you've been anticipating the Bitcoin spot ETFs, this is another one to add to that pile. And what we're seeing right now is the U.S. government has filed a notice to sell $130 million in Bitcoins seized from the Silk Road illegal marketplace. Okay, so that's something where we come into what exactly this is going to do. We're going to break that all down in this video. Make sure you guys, like I said, are all subscribed down below. And I'm going to give you guys my thoughts towards the end of this video, okay? And right now, as we currently stand, we'll take a quick dive into the trading view and show you guys where exactly Bitcoin is trading against the US dollar. And here we are really consolidating after that huge sell-off that we had. But we're still under 40K, guys. But we're right on that level where we're going to probably get back up and bounce off of that support that we've had around that 39.5. That's been the big key for me. But now we're kind of consolidating nicely, waiting for that next step up. Now, what I can tell you guys is, and as always, no one has a crystal ball, so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But what I can tell you guys is that this notice to sell $130 million of Bitcoin, guys, recently is not that crazy of a thing. If you use the magnitude and see actually how many commas and zeros are associated with it, $130 million relative to Bitcoin is a spit in the bucket, okay? That's not what caused the giant sell-off, okay? That's not what we saw within the Bitcoin spot ETFs falling in terms of hype and FOMO, all right? But that's where we've seen the Silk Road marketplace kind of trickle into what is possibly to come, right? We talk about how, you look into the future of that. Silk Road related crypto wallets contain almost $4 billion in Bitcoin, okay? Now that data is according to Arkham, which is a very, very more relevant number and metric, okay? That statistic there is something that I'm more concerned with than $130 million. And I know that sounds kind of crazy, and as we're all sitting here balking at the fact that basically we're not concerned with the value of a Powerball ticket, right? But $130 million, like I said, is a spit in a bucket relative to the size and total market cap of Bitcoin. What I'm concerned about is down the road, more and more, what happens with anything related to Silk Road, okay? Is this why we're seeing a little bit of pricing in, the sell-off, the liquidations? Is this kind of the other institutions kind of getting around the 8-ball and kind of circumventing regulation and taking profits and manipulating the charts? That's yet to be determined, guys. But right now, Bitcoin is a brush below 40K, and it's something where we look into the future. Nobody has that crystal ball, okay? Nobody has that crystal ball, but if we look at levels that we thought we would get to, right, with the billions in transactions expected from the spot ETFs, it really makes one wonder, okay? Really makes everybody wonder exactly what's going on, okay? We thought really, truly we're going to get up to 60, 65K from that Bitcoin spot ETF, and it just never happened, never really matriculated into action, okay? But the form that Bitcoin is in right now, it's posing a little bit of a buying opportunity as well, and that's kind of what it comes down to. But I wanted to give you guys that breaking crypto news, not so much in the fact that if you hear anything about the Silk Road, what we're doing from a governmental standpoint where the U.S. is selling and applying for that notice to sell that $130 million, right? That happens all the time, but it's more so concerning that within Silk Road related crypto, they hold almost $4 billion. And that just illustrates the picture where market manipulation can actually occur, more so than just the U.S. selling $130 million. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And as always, guys, please drop that BTC down below in the comments. If you guys all hold Bitcoin, that's the best way to get this out on YouTube for everyone to see. But I appreciate you guys all being part of the channel, and make sure you guys all subscribe on your way out. We're going to have a lot of crypto content daily covering all your favorite cryptos, not just Bitcoin. So it's a very, very good place to be. And guys, like I said, stay safe out there. Stay vigilant. Make sure you guys do all your homework and your due diligence, because there's been a lot of scams, especially on YouTube, guys. A lot of AI commercials. Not really feeling that vibe, especially because it looks bad on the channel. But we don't get to pick our ads here on YouTube. So just remember to Stay safe, like I said, and always thank you again. Please subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.